Icy Strait Point, Alaska.
I will call them.
And of course that ship is the Grand Princess. Icy Strait Point is a really small port. About a mile from port is the town of Hoona. And we're at the Wilderness Dock, which is away from the cannery. The cannery is the old cannery, which is now a museum and restaurants and shops. Is what to see here. I mean, they also have a zip line, a tramway going up the mountain. Those things cost money. Another ship, I think that's the Radiance of the Seas. And then the Seven Seas Explorer is anchored on the other side of us. That's their tender boat, water shuttle. So we're just going to walk around here today. Been here before.
Okay, now which is our route?
So it's working. So it's free to ride that over to the other side. Well, it used to be free. Yeah, free. To the Hoona Cannery. But there is a trail through the forest. Why is it roped off? Oh, I see. The road. So they call it the Nature Trail. As long as we're here, though, gift shop, information and tours. I think there's even a little food outlet here or there.
There's your Krabby Bloody Mary.
Only at the Crab House. It's a shell of a good cocktail? Yeah, okay. So, 15 minutes to go half a mile. Or you can ride the gondolas. Notice the line. Bathrooms. Let's head out on the nature trail to Ocean Landing. Remember, this is Wilderness Point, I believe they call it. This is the newer docks. It's a nice trail, but it's rocky. So, you know, very uneven. So be careful. Oh. And instead of using the road, he uses the nature trail. So, there are warning signs for bears all along. Not sure how often they see a bear here. Travel in groups of 10 or more. Oh well. I only have to outrun Janet. And if you get tired, there's benches. So it's uphill and then down again, over the point. Fairly steep climb. So they put a bench up here. Look up. Check out that nest. I don't see it. There's a bench here. And it's all around here. I think I see it.
Look at the gondolas passing each other.
You might have noticed Janet's on 360 duty today. Don't forget to watch that video. So, it's beautiful, right? It's a forest. It's very green. Other than the path we're on, it's
To the ropes course and the zip line. You can see the little platforms wrapped around the trees. The noise from the ship interrupts the quietness. It echoes through here.
The ropes course.
The ropes course and zip line are all extra charge. There's not a lot to do here that is free. The gondolas are free. And walking up around the cannery are also free. But it's still very nice, serene. See that? Level 3, ages 7 and up. Difficulty level 1 star. And the gondolas pass overhead. And off in the distance you can see the visitor center and the rooftop of the cannery. Icy Strait Adventure Park and Ropes Course. I don't see anybody on anything, so I have a feeling it's closed. It was closed the last time we came here also. Okay. Participants must pay the admission fee. Gondola station, and there's a line to get back.